boots and a lily white dress. A million words, but how to express what I'm feeling when I see you. You flash a smile, I'm like, is this happening? I look your way and then of course drop everything. You walk over and ask if I'm alright. Hey, whatever it takes to break the ice. Don't walk away, there's more to say. I just need the courage to let you know what's on my mind. Like every time you pass by, something just feels right. Not apathy, it's energy locked up that's ready to scream and shout. I won't make the same mistake twice. Ready to shake up and break the ice. Maybe a joke first, maybe a pickup line, but either one of those is just a waste of time. I need a better way, I need some inspiration, something that better explains all my motivation. To meet you, know you, and be on your mind. I have to, but how do I put this right? Don't overcomplicate, just say hi or whatever it takes to break the ice. Don't walk away, there's more to say. I just need the courage to let you know what's on my mind. Like every time you pass by, something just feels right. Not apathy, it's energy locked up that's ready to scream and shout. I won't make the same mistakes twice. Ready to shake up and break the ice. Do you have a roadmap that I can try? 'Cause I think I just got lost in your eyes. I have to tell you, I really want to. Whenever I look in your eyes, I won't make the same mistake twice. I'm ready to shake up and break the ice. Don't walk away, there's more to say. I just need the courage to let you know what's on my mind. Like every time you pass by, something just feels right. Not apathy, it's energy locked up that's ready to scream and shout. I won't make the same mistake twice. Ready to shake up and break the ice.
Are you doing a video? So, just need to do is mix this and turn some debris. It's going to be a bit of black. Bit. Oh, no, that's transformed to black. Let me see. Oh, the water's dirty. We need more water. I'm thinking about having a glass put of water next to me, and then I can go and just my mom change it. I see the one behind the camera. I don't have to go. I got to need this water.
Should I tell her that you're not available? Or
I really like it.
I think I'm filming.
Hey guys, this is Sophie, today we are at a volcano. And this is so amazing.
Something's happening.
But, oh, it's starting to fit a little bit. Starting to fit a little bit. See my moon. Oh, it's exploding! Oh.
Is it red or not?
It's exploding. Whoa! Look at it! It's different colour. And look, this is at the top, and this is at the what more used. Whoa! It's actually dripping still on the floor. It's actually dripping all over the place. If you like me, give me a thumbs up or subscribe.